Welcome to Local to Global India. Today we are presenting a company named Hindustan Unilever Limited (HUL). Hindustan Unilever Limited is India's largest fast-moving consumer goods company with a heritage of over 80 years in India. On any given day, 9 out of 10 Indian households use our products to feel good, look good, and get more out of life, giving us a unique opportunity to build a brighter future. HUL works to create a better future every day and helps people feel good, look good, and get more out of life with brands and services that are good for them and good for others. With over 35 brands spanning 20 distinct categories such as soaps, detergents, shampoos, skincare, toothpastes, deodorants, cosmetics, tea, coffee, packaged foods, ice cream, and water purifiers. The company is a part of the everyday life of millions of consumers across India. Its portfolio includes leading household brands such as Lux, Lifebuoy, Surf Excel, Reen, Wheel, Glow and Lovely, Pond's, Vaseline, Lakme, Dove, Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, Pepsodent, Close-Up, X, Brook, Bond, Brew, Non, Kisan, Quality Walls, and Pureit. HUL is a subsidiary of Unilever, one of the world's leading suppliers of food, home care, personal care, and refreshment products with sales in over 190 countries. Shareholding pattern and share price for HUL are like this. Last traded price was 2305.95. Upper price band ranges at 2350. Lower price band ranges at 2265.10. 52-week high was 2614.30. 52-week low was 1757.30. Shareholding summary for Hindustan Unilever Limited are like this. Promoters are holding 61.9%, MF holdings are rest, FII's holdings are 14.5%, other institutions are 6.9%, public holdings are 12.8%. Recent news for Hindustan Unilever Limited. Unilever is opening up its plan for tracking climate change to a shareholder vote in May next year, becoming the first global company to do so. However, the vote won't open to shareholders of Hindustan Unilever Limited in India. The company announced its plans for shareholder vote shortly after joining the Amazon-led climate pledge, which has been criticized for being a branding endeavor rather than delivering actual change. Big corporations all over the world have been pledging to reduce their role in the impact of climate change, and this includes the global consumer goods giant Unilever. The London-based multinational has announced that it will be opening up its climate transmission action plan to the stakeholders to vote next year and seek a non-binding advisory vote. It is the first time a global company has voluntarily committed to put its climate transition plan before a shareholder vote, said the company. The plan will outline overall goals of the organization to mitigate climate change and specific measures it will be putting in place to achieve those goals. This includes an ambitious target to turn net zero emissions by 2039. However, the vote won't be open to shareholders of Hindustan Unilever in India. The proposal to seek shareholders' approval is by Unilever. HUL is a separate listed company and therefore HUL shareholders will not be participating in the approval process, HUL told Business Insider. Unilever's climate transition targets are zero emissions from its own operations by 2030, a 50% reduction in the average footprint of its products by 2030, net zero emission from sourcing to point of sale by 2039. The Climate Transition Action Plan will be shared with shareholders during the first quarter of the next fiscal year, and the vote is likely to take place during the annual general meeting on 5 May 2021.